Okay, yeah. So once again, good morning, everyone. So I am Shashikant. So I'm going to help you with how to create a Databricks workspace and in the Azure platform. And also I will help you how to create a cluster in it. And also I will help you how to manage the cluster, how to import some sample data in it. You can see my screen. I have already logged into the Azure platform. So here in the Azure platform, you can see Azure Databricks is already appearing at the Azure services at this home tab. In case if you are not able to find Azure Databricks, what you can do, you can go here, try to search Databricks, and Databricks will be listed like this. I'll zoom in a little bit. Now you can see. I click on this Azure Databricks. Now you are able to see the Azure Databricks plus create button. So here you can see unlock the insights from all your data and build the artificial intelligence solutions with the Azure Databricks. Set up your Apache Spark environment in a minute, auto scale it, and also you will be able to collaborate on a different shared projects as well with the interactive workspace. Now I'm going to click on plus create either this or either this plus create button. So let's try to proceed. Now you can see there is a default subscription, that is Azure subscription. The resource group is not there. I click on create a new. You don't have to create in case of already resource group is there. So I'll try to create a test RG 2314. I'll click on OK. In case at your side already test RG1234 or 2314 is available, so you can try to use the same. Okay. I'll be giving a workspace name. Okay. So this is the demo WS workspace, demo WS 2314, something like this. I'll give a name, and I'll be creating in a West US. Okay. So East US, anything is fine. Okay, default West US is there, let it be, and trial and premium are there, so let it be in a premium. So in case you're looking for a trial and also you can go with a trial, that's also fine. So I'm going for a premium serverless option. Okay, so this is the good option, serverless premium. Okay, I click on next. Now you can see networking, leave as it is. You don't have to do any changes. Click on encryption, no need to change anything. Securities, you no need to change anything. Tag, nothing to change. Okay, and review also, once again you can go and check. Okay, so meanwhile, from the basics, once again, I'll show you. You can refer, click on basics, select the subscription, resource group, workspace, you can give a name, and region, pricing tier is a premium, and here also serverless. Okay, and I go to networking. Now you can see networking also, you don't have to do anything. Public network access, you have to enable. That means even though from my computer, I'll be able to connect. Okay, and nothing else, no need to change anything. Okay, no need to change anything. Click on this create button, so that automatically our workspace, our Databricks workspace will be created in my Azure platform. Okay, now you can see it is initializing the deployment. Once it is deployed, now we can see, deployment is in progress, it is submitted. All right, you can see. So it is already created, but final, whatever the dependencies are there, so those services and all internally it will create, and it will be in a green color. So as and when it comes to the green color, by the time you just keep on refreshing, so that it will be in a deployed status within just a matter of 1 minute, 1 or 2 minutes maximum it might take. Now you can notice as and when it is in a deployment is in progress, so we can wait for some time. Okay, so we can wait for some time, then again immediately it will be deployed. Okay, yeah. And also coming to this one, the Databricks in Azure. So this is the first cloud where Databricks people they initialized the Databricks. So Databricks was different earlier. Okay, so even though people they will be using a different Databricks from a different side, but Databricks along with Azure, Databricks team and Azure team they sat together. They agreed for some internal alignment. Then only the workspace of the Databricks was involved with the Azure platform. Okay, then later on AWS, then later on GCP it was done. Okay, you can see my screen, deployment is in progress, so it will be deployed ASAP. Okay, so we can wait for a few more seconds. So as and when it comes, then I'll be opening the Databricks workspace. Then again I'll be accessing the Databricks workspace from here. All right, and also any details you wanted to see, you can check all the details here. You click on this details button, operation details, you'll be able to see everything, so no need to change anything. And just wait for some few more seconds. Now you can see the deployment is completed. I click on go to resource. Now you can notice as and when I go to resource, now you are able to see the workspace. You can see the workspace status is active and all the details are here, which region, which location, what is the resource group, what is the URL of the particular uh, Databricks workspace. I can open this one, or either I can click on this one, launch workspace. Anything is fine, this or this URL or this. I click on that launch button, launch workspace. Now you can see it will ask me to again once again click on login button. So internally again it will log in with the same Azure credentials what I was using. Okay, now you can see automatically it logged in with the same credentials what I was using. Now you can see left side we got all the different options, and also you can see here you have got a this one AI oriented option also. Okay, so we can try to use a mosaic.ai, or even we can try to use a various data as well. You can see here sales data, sales franchise, franchise data, supplier data, customer reviews, all the gold data, everything is here. And left side also you can see here first workspace and jobs, pipelines, compute, everything. SQL is also listed out. Data engineering also, data engineering requirement, data analytic requirement, and also visualization requirement. So we can try to do it. And also machine learning and all AI, machine learning, agentic AI, we can use it. And also I have done various trainings also based on this one, data engineering, data analytics, Databricks certifications I have done. Okay, all these you can try to check. AI and ML, you can see playground, agent, AI, gateway, experiment features, everything. So first of all, I'm going to go for a workspace, and here you can see workspace means here which all the different workspace are there. Currently, I'm having a default workspace. Okay, this is my default workspace. In the workspace, you can see how many users are there. All the details it is showing. Currently, only one user you can see. Then left side again you have a compute option. You click on compute. Now you have an option to create a this one the cluster. Okay, so here you got a SQL workhouse and vector search apps and lakehouse as well. Okay, so now what we can do, so here in the compute option what we can do, we can try to create a ensemble cluster here. Create a SQL warehouse is there. Okay, and also you can see in the workspace itself you got all the options. Here also one more option is there, plus new button. Correct. So if you click on plus new, you can see add or upload data, notebook, dashboard, everything is here. Correct. So that's what the one thing. And below you have a marketplace. So in the marketplace you got a various these options, AI agents and all you can try to connect. Databricks marketplace to various AI models and all you can connect. So basically you got a various models you can see here, and also you can try to connect with the various applications also. Power BI desktop, you can say you want to connect with any of the different applications and all. You want to do any of the computations, you can try to do it. Okay, yeah. Coming to workspace, let's try to click on here plus create. We can try to create a notebook, folder, everything here. Correct. So we can try to go with the file option, dashboard option, everything is here only. Okay, so that's what the one important consideration what we have to do. So first we have to create the workspace, come to the same step, understand all these things, what all the things are here you have to understand. Okay, then again plus new button. You want to create notebook, you want to create dashboard, etc. So you can try to create it. First I'll create a notebook. Meanwhile it will give me an option to create a this one cluster also. Okay, I'll go with a plus and notebook. So notebook name I'll try to give, and you can see this is the notebook name. Okay, here only what we can do, we can try to give a name to the given notebook. Currently new notebook karke there is a name. This is a demo notebook 1. Okay, demo notebook 1. I just try, this is the Python. Okay, so here is the Python SQL, Scala, R and all it has been given. You can see here my screen. What I do, I try to type x equals to 100, y equals to 200. I just type x equals to 100, y equals to 200, and then again print x plus y. Now you can notice if I run this, now what happens, it is telling the waiting, and also you can see it is 300. Okay, that means directly it is running, and also you can see here whatever the serverless option I have chosen, so it is working fine. All right, so that is the great thing. Okay, so either I can try to import this export. Okay, so I can try to export the notebook. Okay, so I can try to format, upload some data into the given notebook. So we can try to do many more things. Okay, so add a data. Okay, so you have got all the options here. Okay, you can see here create or modify the table, upload the files from the computer, local computer. Okay, so you got a plenty of options. All right, yeah. So these are all the options where you can try to come here and try to create a sample notebook, the one what I have created. Okay, so this demo notebook, add a data, try to run it. Okay, so these are all the changes they have done it recently. And also I was talking about this one in the compute. Okay, so you can see a compute, create a SQL warehouse. You click on create a SQL warehouse, give a name. Okay, so some sample SQL warehouse and try to give, and as and when Databricks units are there for 4 dbu, 6 dbu. So based on your requirement, try to create some sample warehouse and try to work with the warehouse also. Okay, so I'm not going to create right as of now because currently I'm not going to demonstrate this warehouse. So only the requirement was to create a notebook. So I'm demonstrating only this. In case if you wanted to create a this one, the warehouse also, come here, go to the workspace, or either though go to the SQL workspace here. So anything is fine. And also I'm going to tell you about a agentic AI also. So I have done various trainings on the same also. So coming to here, you can see click on agents. Okay, so create agent option is there. If you click on create agent, now you can see you got a plenty of options here. Chart related agents you want to go, so you can select a chart. Functional related you want to go, so functional, structured, unstructured, custom. So all the options Databricks have given. Okay, and also left side you got a models. If you click on models, you will be getting a various AI models also. Okay, so here currently whatever the license we are using, so that also it matters a lot. So based on that, what we can do, we can try to take the AI models and we can try to enable them, and that will be available here only. Okay, so currently you can see currently DBSQL MCP server, that is the server which is running along with me. And then again we can try to select a certain LLMs also, or whatever the LLMs are there. So currently it is disabled, so we can try to enable them and we can try to use them accordingly. Clear? So that's about various AI/ML related stuff. So if you come to the playground, agents, AI gateway, experiment features, models, and all. So we can try to use various models. We can try to create our own, different agents. You can see you can try to select a various agents. Along with that, we can try to list out. Currently, you can see GPT and O1, Llama, so Gemma, so all the different agents you can try to see. Select it and try to create your own applications, endpoints, and try to deploy them as well, and try to do the data analytics. Okay, so anything is fine. All right, fine. So these are all the various options I just wanted to show to you people, and you can try to select them accordingly based on your requirement, and then again you can try to do it. So earlier we had a ML experiment. Right now also we got a AML experiment here. So even the GenAI apps and all you want to build and create, you click on GenAI apps. What is the experiment name you want to give, and select a schema, put a table name and all, create experiment, try to run them. Okay, so this is about all the Databricks brief as much as possible. So I have given a brief. Please refer it along with that. In case if there is any training requirement, especially with the Databricks and all. So in my current video below, I have given the description, our support team name and contact team name and email details are there. So please, try to take the email ID and try to, post your requirements as well. Okay, any corporate training requirement, IT training requirement, and also we support all the labs also. Okay, so if people are having any lab requirement in the future upcoming days, you can, WhatsApp us, you can try to send us an email. Our team will be able to help you. All right. So by saying this, this is it for the day. So I'm going to sign out. Thank you so much, all of you, and good luck to you as well. Happy learning and take care. Bye bye.